Hi, welcome to Excel. Today we'll talk about the weekday formula. A weekday in Excel identifies the day of the week. So it returns the day of the week, any date that you give to Excel. It returns the day of the week as from 1 to 7. That is from 1 to 7 is from Sunday to Saturday. So you can see that in this table. So Sunday is marked as 1 and Monday is 2. So it is going to give a return type from 1 to 7 from Sunday to Saturday. So this is the default return type that is present in weekday, which it normally gives. But the weekday has other options for the return type. They can be different return types like return type 2, 3, and 11 to 17. We have different return types. In return type 1, which is a default, the Sunday is taken as the first day of the week and Saturday is taken as the last day of the week. In return type 2, Monday is taken as the first day of the week and Saturday is taken as the Monday is taken as the first day and Sunday is taken as the last day of the week. So according to the various return types, the numbering of the weekdays will change. In weekday formula can be used in creating timetables or in creating rosters or duty rosters for the employees and the staff. So here we have an example where a class 7 timetable has to be prepared, knowing what when is a weekday of the months and the weekday name, so that you should know like when on a Sunday there is will be no school and you cannot prepare a timetable on Sunday. So how do we arrive at this timetable to know the weekday and the weekday name is we take this cell weekday and write the formula again. So we enter the weekday. So here what it is showing the formula bar is weekday, the serial number. Serial number, nothing, I already told you it refers to the date. So take the referral date from this cell. And then what is the return type? You want Monday? Yes. Sunday as your first day and Saturday as your seventh. So your return type is 1. And then you click the close the parenthesis. And so you here, remember that when you take return type 1, Sunday will be the first day of the week and Saturday will be the seventh day of the week. So let's press enter and we have got 5 here. And to copy down the formula, we don't have to enter the formula again in every cell. To copy down the formula, we can just click hold the left mouse button and drag it down till the end of the thing and leave it. So here we didn't have any change in the return type. Okay, so how do you get the weekday name? So let's remove this. We have got the weekday and let's go back and we'll see how we got the weekday name. So here we are using two formulas to get from the weekday. We want to get the weekday. So you know it's fifth day of the week, but you don't know which day, the day name, like it's a Tuesday or Thursday or Friday. So to know that, you have to use a text formula. Okay, press the text. You will get the drop down option. Click on that and enter the value. In the value of in the value thing, you can enter one more formula. That is the weekday formula. Okay, and then parenthesis and serial number. Here we have to give the referral date and the referral type is what we have taken. Here we have taken the return type as 1. So we have to take the same return type here. So we will take the return type as 1 and close the parenthesis. Okay, and then put a comma. And then what format do you want? You want it in uh, a complete format. Okay, we want the day, the day name in complete format. So we're pressing 4 Ds and close the parenthesis. So this is how you get the day name from the weekday. So just click enter and then you get Thursday. And once you hold the mouse here at the corner and just drag it, hold your left click button and drag the mouse till the end of the column. So you're getting the complete day name. So accordingly, you can mark that Sunday is a holiday and second Saturday is a holiday and 20 Jan 26th is a holiday, and again this Sunday is a holiday. So that you accordingly you will prepare your timetable for the students. You can prepare that as these days are not available as working days. So this weekday and week name can be used in preparing duty rosters for teachers or duty rosters for any staff or duty rosters for any IT sales department. So in many ways, the weekday and weekday name can be used. Or when you want to pay yeah, in due date, you have some due date that every Sunday or every Saturday, every Monday you have to pay some SIP or some kind of insurance premium. So you should, so this is on the weekday of so and so weekday. So that is how the weekday formula will be used in real world situations. Now, the weekday formula can be written. So we have already mentioned that written type 1, the Sunday here it is 1, and Saturday will be written type 1, Saturday will be marked as 7. In written type 2, Sunday is the last day of the week and Monday is taken as the first day. Weekday formula can be entered in different ways where the weekday here we have got the same return type, that is the fourth day of the week, and this is a formula that we entered here. This is a formula weekday, and this is what is this number here, what we can see here. Sorry, here we can see this in the formula text, this one, this 456 8 45658. So this will see how we got this number. We'll enter the same formula again, is equal to weekday. And what exactly this is the date value part, no serial number. So every date has a date value part. So Excel understands the date as a date value part, and it gives us the date or the day as a return output. So you're entering 45658. So and close the parenthesis. You can just get the weekdays for. So here by default, you're taking the option as 1. So if you want to have the return type as 2, so what result we'll get, we'll see if we are taking the option type as 2, and okay, we'll have to put yes, accept. So you're getting 3 here. We have entered the same number, but we have taken, see, if you can see in the formula, we have taken the return type 2. But here in this equation, okay, sorry, we'll go back. 1 second. Now what we have done is we have got a different return type. So similarly, we'll take the same thing and see and change the return type to 3. So we'll see what it we have here taken the return type. Uh, Here we have taken the entered the date in a text format like weekday, and in the text format we have entered and we have presented it like this. The same thing we can so you've got the same date here because the return type is 1. We have not mentioned any particular return type. The Excel will take return type as 1. If you mention the return type as 2, then let's see what will happen. Weekday, and the same format will follow. 1 1 2025, and we'll just put the return type as 2. So what type, what is a weekday that we would get is 3. See, here also we have taken the written type 2, and here also we're taking the written type 2. So instead of getting 4, because your week is starting from Monday, so you're getting the written type 3, which can be your Wednesday. Okay. Now, if you take the weekday in this formula, you can also enter in this way for the weekday. You take the date, weekday, and then you mention the date. Okay, the date formula in the serial number, and then year. Say take 2025. Come on, then the month. Month is January. That is 1, and day is 1. Uh, close, and then you just have to close this and then put a comma, and you want a return type 2, where we'll take the Monday as return type 3, where return type 3 shows this is Monday is taken as 0. Let's see if, yeah, the return type 3 shows Monday is taken as 0. So for the same thing, we'll see what we're going to get. Instead of having this, we'll have the return type 3, and then we'll click on the weekday formula, enter it. So you're getting a different date altogether. So here we had, when the return type was 1, but the same weekday we got 4 as the both the day of the week. But when the return type was weekday 2, and return type 2, we got, sorry, we have return type 2, we have got a different result like 3, and here we have got 2, where because we have taken the return time as 3 here. So it is very crucial to know like the difference in it, though there's a small, these are the small differences in weekdays where it can be a little bit confusing. So always know what is the return type that you want to give according to your office schedule or your institution schedule, like which days of the week are considered the first day of the week and the last day of the week, and enter the return time. This is all for today, and we'll come up with another date formulas in the next video. Thank you.